2014 Scion XB. Really nice car. Got all this Dragon Ball Z. Good Lord, my mind's not working this morning. As you guys can see, I'll show you guys around it when we bring it down. It's got factory converter up there. Then he brought his own catback system. It's a TSUDO catback system and we just installed him a scuba delete, they call it, which is right here, this piece. And then there's the rest of the regular tailpipe, and there's the muffler. There's the TSUDO. So it's a full system, as you guys can see. And he brought the scuba delete, which deletes the resonator basically, and then replaces it with this one. So we got that done for him. And I told him we're gonna put it on YouTube for him, and he's like, hell yeah, go ahead. He's got a full Dragon Ball Z wrap. It's really cool, all the way around. And there's the regular scuba resonator that's on it, right there. It's huge. And you saw that difference in size of it. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit under the weather today. Like always guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Dragon Ball Z car, Scion TC. You won't see another one like it. Here it is. That's awesome. There's sound decibels again. There's sound decibels. Go ahead and back it out. And it's standard too. There she is. It's really cool. Again? Yeah. So it's got a wrap all the way around, as you guys can see. We'll go around the car so you guys can see it. Really cool. Dragon Ball Z! Lion Nimbus. Let you guys hear on the inside. XB. Dragon Ball Z edition.